Hello, I'm not sure. I'm not sure you guys can see me. Hold up, let me see what's going on. Something happening here. Yeah, what? Sorry, guys. Opening up cameraman. Hello. What's going on? All right, guys, I'm not sure what's going on, but hello. I hope you guys can see my screen. Hold on, let me see if I can, if you can again, if you can see me on camera. I'm not sure why this isn't working. The camera's not working for some reason. All right. Well, unfortunately today I wanted to, well, at least say hello, good morning, get on camera, but it's okay because the reason why I'm doing this live stream this morning is now we're coming back with more quadratic equation practice problems from Khan Academy that are meant to give you an amazing idea of what the SAT is all about. So continuing with what I've been doing the last few days, we're going to work on 2 quadratic equation based practice problems, and I think I have a little more time today, hopefully. So I'm going to try and knock out 2. So let's go back to the screen share here. And we're going to do it like this. Here we go. And here is our practice problem. Now, we're going to also do a little split screen action. Oops. Yeah, let's get this kind of over here. This is pretty fun. So if you guys didn't get a chance to see yesterday, I went through an entire practice test or for the non-calculator section. I'm going to do the calculator section probably next weekend. But it was fun. It was timed. And it kind of went super fast because I had to try and finish because I had an appointment to go to. But it was not like I didn't get to explain as much as I would have liked because I was going so fast. But it was just fun to try and give you guys an idea of what it's all about. And yeah, I'm going to do more of that if you guys like it. Just let me know, leave me comments, all that good stuff. All right, so let's check this out here. Question 4, in the equation above, and like I said, I'm going to knock out 2 of these. In the equation above, a is a constant. If the equation has the solutions x equals 4 and x equals -4, what is the value of a? Okay, so let's write this out over here. X plus 4 is 2x minus a equals 0. So let's think about this. Now again, what does this mean when we have 2 solutions? These solutions, when this whole thing equals 0, it means these solutions are gonna zero out either this or this guy, either one of these terms. Well, clearly -4 is the solution for this piece. Why? Because if we plugged in -4 here, plus 4 equals 0. And that 0 wouldn't necessarily knock this whole piece out because 0 times anything is 0. So we know that -4 has to be the 0 for this term, meaning that 4 has to be the 0 for this term. Okay, so let's parse that further. That means that 2x minus a equals 0, specifically when x equals 4. So what does this mean? Let's bring it back up here. So that means 8 minus a equals 0, which means 8 equals a. Okay, so that is the value of a. All right, I think I did that all correctly. 8, 4, yeah, it should be right. All right, cool. That one was a quick one. Let's go on to finally number 5. Let's delete all this stuff. All right, let's see this one. 49x squared minus 64. What are the solutions to the equation above? Okay. You know, you can always solve these ones if you wanted to with factoring. I mean, sorry, not with factoring, with the quadratic formula. But I believe we can do this we can do this in a different way. So what this is, see, and this just goes to show, I don't always see everything right away. I think it's a misnomer that when you teach math or if you enjoy math or whatever, that it's like instantly you know what to do. And that's not the case. A lot of times, even if you watch that video I shot yesterday where I'm going through the full test, I didn't always know the answer right off the bat. I kind of had to start working, and then it begins to pop into your head with a lot of practice. But it's like you just got to have faith that you will figure it out, and you start going, and then it will kind of come to you. 49x squared. Now, what did I just notice that I didn't see initially? Right? I didn't see that this was a difference of squares. Difference of squares means we have 2 terms that are each squares of something, and then they're subtracting one another. Because 49 squared, what is that? That is 7x squared, right? 7 squared is 49, x squared is x squared, minus 8 squared. Difference of squares. Why do we care that this is a difference of squares? Because we can do something special with the difference of squares. We can factor it, and we can factor it like this. This is just the case with any difference of squares. You have one term that is 7x plus 8, so it's this term plus this term, times 7x minus 8. Why is this? Well, if we FOIL it out, we can see that this is actually true. Remember, FOIL is first, outer, inner, last with multiplication. So 7x times 7x, 49x squared. 7x times negative 8 is negative 56x. 8 times 7x is positive 56x. And then 8 times negative 8 is negative 64. Negative 56x and positive 56x cancel out. And guess what? This is our original equation, 49x squared minus 64. I just did that to show we don't have to FOIL it. I'm just telling you that this is why it works. This is why we can factor it as we did. So let me, oh wait, I don't want to delete this. Hold on. Let me just get rid of all that stuff. Okay, so we're back to the factoring. Now we want to know the solutions above. Remember, with these terms, when this is set equal to 0, we just need to know when this term is going to go to 0 and when this term is going to go to 0. So we can write it out individually. 7x plus 8 equals 0. 7x, and then we have to subtract 8 from both sides. 7x equals negative 8. X equals negative 8/7. All right, let's do this one now. 7x minus 8 equals 0. 7x, let me add 8. Add 8. 7x equals 8. X equals positive 8/7. Guess what? Here are our two solutions. So we have x equals, so this one is, if you can see here, it's not A, B, C, it's D, negative 8/7 and positive 8/7. Go ahead and select that. And that's it. That's all there is to it with these two problems. So hopefully that made sense. I'm kind of done with this section. So now I'm going to move on tomorrow to another section. I'm thinking system of linear equations, because that can be kind of tricky sometimes. So let me know if you have any other questions. And also another cool little bit of news, I will be shooting my next music video, math music video this weekend. Hopefully we'll release it next week. It's going to be all about trigonometry, all about sine, cosine, and tangent, which should be really fun. So we'll see how that goes, and hopefully that can give you some more insight. Hopefully you can use that for your SAT prep as well. Okay, hold on. Let me stop sharing. Stop. Let me see if I can get this camera. Turn this camera back on here. It's just not working. There's something up. So you won't get to see my disheveled morning appearance today, unfortunately. But anyways, that is it. Thank you guys so much. If you're tuning in today or if you're checking it out later on your own, hopefully it's helpful. Thanks. Have a great day. Bye-bye.